Hey guys, what's up? We have an old dimmer switch here. It works fine and it's nice to have the dimming feature in the dining area, but the switch just looks really old. In this video, we're going to show you how to go from this to this. Or if you have just a regular switch and want to add a dimmer switch, the process is the same. And it only takes about 15 minutes and costs about $20. First, you are going to need to pick up a new dimmer switch. I picked mine up from Home Depot. I'll put a link in the description. It is important to take a look and see that this switch works with halogen bulbs and dimmable LEDs or CFLs. On that note, if you do have LEDs or CFL bulbs, you'll need to make sure that they are dimmable. Otherwise, pick up a new set of dimmable LEDs while you're getting the new dimmer switch. You will also need a new faceplate in white to match the new switch. Before you ever start work on an electrical project, you need to make sure that the power is shut off to the circuit you are working on. Look at the labeling in your panel and turn off the corresponding breaker. Take note that once you think you've turned off the correct breaker, you still need to verify at the location that the power is in fact turned off. So I have verified that the light switch I am working on no longer has power. I set up my battery-powered work light and we will begin removing the old switch. First, remove the old knob, the two faceplate screws, and the two switch mounting screws. My old switch was painted over, which made it harder to take off, but it should come right out once the screws are removed. As a final measure before working with the wires is to check the wires with a voltage tester. Press the button to make sure that the tip lights up red. Now check the wires. If the tip does not light up red, you know that there is no voltage present. If you do not have a voltage tester, you can confirm that power is off by ensuring the light no longer operates. When working with wires, it is best practice to operate such the wires are hot, or in other words, have voltage applied. Meaning do not touch the copper ends of the wires or touch the wires together. Now it is time to install the new switch. Check the wiring diagram on your specific switch. My switch shows to connect the two leads to the bottom terminals on each side of the switch. You may have noticed that the old switch did not have a ground wire. The ground wire is important in the event of a short to ensure that the breaker is tripped and prevents potential electrocution or fire hazards. The new switch has the green ground wire. I connect this to the ground circuit in my switch box, which is identified as the wires that are bare copper. Do a final check that all of your connections are secure and install the new switch. Once you have tightened the switch mounting screws, you can attach the new faceplate. Do a final check that the faceplate screws are snug, but make sure that you don't over tighten them or you could crack the faceplate. Time to check your work. Go ahead and turn the breaker back on and test your new switch. The slider on the side is used to adjust the light output. Set this to your desired light output setting. That's all for this video. Thanks for watching, and as always, you can do it.